What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to enable Messenger chat head. So let's begin our video. So first you need to go your Google Play Store, then type on Messenger. After find your Messenger, you need to check out your Messenger is updated or not. If your Messenger is not updated, so make sure your Messenger is updated. So after that, after update your Messenger, then open your Messenger, then open Anion inbox, then go to on the top right corner I button, then go to three dot. If you don't get Messenger chat head option, so you need to go this page, then tap over your profile, then scroll down. After that you can see option Messenger chat head, just enable it. Now you need to open Anion inbox, then again go I button on the top right corner, then again tap on three dot on the top right corner, then you can see open chat head, just tap it. Okay, that's it. Now there you can see your Facebook Messenger chat head already opened. So guys, in this way you can open your Messenger chat head very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.